Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing a super quick unboxing and review of the JYDMIX all-in-one travel adapter. We're going to find out why I think this device is something that everyone watching today should definitely buy or at least consider purchasing. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below. Let's set a goal of 35 likes in this video, which I know you guys can easily smash. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the JYDMIX all-in-one universal travel adapter is a device that allows you to use or charge your products from around the globe with over 200 plus supported countries and regions, including UK, US, Europe and Asia, amongst others as well. The power adapter comes built in with 3 USB-A ports, as well as 1 USB Type-C port, which is perfect for charging multiple devices at the same time. From a safety perspective, the device is FCC certified and has a CE power rating of 8A max. Finally, the device also has some useful safety warning tips, which we'll be discussing later on throughout the video. In regards to the product breakdown, the device weighs roughly around 150 grams and has a height of 6 centimeters. On front, you have the company logo as well as the adapter inputs. On the side, you have 3 levers which expand the UK, Europe and US pin adapters, as well as a release button which allows you to retract the pins. Towards the back, you have the adapter pins that slide out once selected, and finally towards the bottom, you have 3 USB-A ports, as well as 1 USB Type-C port and 1 LED indicator light. In terms of packaging, on front, you have the company logo, as well as an image and name of the device. On the side, you have some product features, and finally, on top, you have the company logo again. Inside the box, you get the JYDMIX travel adapter, as well as 1 travel case, and a user guide on how to set up. The setup process is really simple. Start by sliding the country or region adapter you would like to use, and then insert the device into the mains. Insert the power adapter or USB cable you would like to use, turn on the mains, and you should be good to go from here. Now for some very quick safety and warning tips. The very first thing I wanted to raise was that once you're finished using the adapter, never use your hand to close back the pins, as there may still be current running through the product. Always use the release button followed by the slider to retract the pins once completed. When using products like hairdryers or laptop chargers, always use the adapter inputs as opposed to the USB ports. And finally, when it comes to power, always ensure that the device you are using is less than 8A. Before we summarize guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel, and it lets the YouTube algorithm know I did a good job on this one. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, if you find yourself traveling a lot and going to multiple countries, then the JYDMIX travel adapter is a device you should definitely look into. The multifunctional design will save you from having to purchase separate power adapters, and the USB Type-A and C input are also a plus. This device is definitely going into my top 10 must-have essentials list, and for the price you pay, you definitely get your money's worth here. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the JYDMIX travel adapter from Amazon for around £19, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. What are your thoughts on today's product, and is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.